The Cobalt exhaust muffler, got the Cobalt exhaust mid pipe with the cat, and we're going to be installing this onto the Miata.
Stop right here, switching it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, we got it. We got it. Yeah, cool.
Hold on. Yep. Oh, good. Oh. The bolts. Yes. Okay, push in.
You gotta figure out a way. This was on your old exhaust. Just the hanger. You gotta put it behind the shield though. That's why they put it on the old one where the shield is.
Hold on, hold on. Alright. Come out.
Now, we gotta... Maybe one now, push it in.